How to make Capricorn man fall in love with you. Capricorn men are known for being serious, reserved, and incredibly ambitious. They don't fall in love easily or quickly, but when they do, their loyalty and commitment run deep. Winning a Capricorn man's heart takes patience, honesty, and a grounded approach. Would you love to make him absolutely addicted to you? Learn about 3 ways to make a man addicted to you. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Here are 10 straightforward ways to make him fall for you. 1. Be emotionally mature. Capricorn men admire people who can handle emotions with calm and grace. Stay composed during disagreements and avoid overreacting. Emotional control attracts him. 2. Support his goals. He's driven and career-focused. Show interest in his work and long-term plans. Encourage him without being too demanding of his time or energy. 3. Be honest and genuine. Capricorns value truth. Don't play games or pretend to be someone you're not. He'll respect you more if you're clear, honest, and consistent. 4. Keep it classy. Don't try to impress him with bold or flashy behavior. He prefers someone with quiet confidence. Dress well, speak clearly, and carry yourself with grace. 5. Have patience. He needs time to build trust. Rushing into romance will only push him away. Be steady, kind, and let things grow naturally. 6. Show you're practical. Capricorn men like people who can make smart choices. Show him you think about the future, manage your money, and make responsible decisions. 7. Take it slow physically. He won't jump into intimacy right away. Build emotional trust before anything else. Respect his pace and he'll respect you even more. 8. Talk about real things. He enjoys deep conversations. Discuss topics like goals, values, and the world around you. Avoid shallow gossip or drama. 9. Respect tradition. Capricorns often have strong family values or beliefs. Don't mock or dismiss what matters to him. Instead, show understanding and respect. 10. Be loyal and reliable. Nothing matters more to a Capricorn man than loyalty. Show him he can count on you through actions, not just words. To make a Capricorn man fall in love, be real, steady, and respectful of who he is. He may take time to open up, but once he does, his love is loyal, lasting, and deeply devoted. Do you want to keep your man's eyes on you and only you? Would you love to make him absolutely addicted to you? Learn about 3 ways to make a man addicted to you. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.